Hey everyone, you're watching the Technicalities channel. Today, our topic is about the video conference applications that are primarily used for online education. When you think about these applications, stuff like Zoom or Google Meet pop up in your mind. Our focus for today though is on Google Meet and how to use the app. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, be sure to hit that like button down below. Let's get started. Google Meet is an application by Google to hold video conference meetings online. Obviously, some people have hard times using the app, as with any other application if it's your first time using the app. But it's not as hard as people make it out to be. The steps are actually really simple. First, enter the app. If you're on a mobile phone, be sure to download the Google Meet app off the App Store or the Play Store and enter the app. Otherwise, search it on a browser and enter using an account. After that, you can either start a new meeting or you can join a meeting with a code. In the actual call, you have a handful of options, such as the camera toggle option. You can turn that on and off. The microphone toggle option. Again, you can also turn that on and off. The raise a hand option, which you can turn on and off. You have the call messages option, where you can chat to other people inside the call. You have the screen share option, which allows you to share your screen as long as you have a recording device that allows you to record your screen. You have the captions option, so you can see what everyone is saying. And you also have the add others option, which allows you to add others into the call by sharing the meeting info. Lastly, to leave the call, you can press the big red button beside the camera toggle option. Now, for some frequently asked questions. 1. Can Google Meetings be recorded? Well, yes, they can. Although these meetings can only be recorded by Enterprise for Education users, which is a topic for another day. These recordings will actually be saved to your Google Drive. 2. Is Google Meet better than Zoom? What are the differences? Well, Google Meet is actually missing a few key features that Zoom already has, such as the direct messages option, which you can do on Zoom. Although both are great options, and I would recommend you to use either. To recap, we learned about video conference applications, especially Google Meet. We learned about how to use Google Meet and the functions inside a Google Meet call. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button down below and also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future. Also, hit that bell button beside the subscribe channel to make sure that you are notified whenever a new video like this comes out. For now though, I'm signing off. Thank you for watching the Technicalities channel.